This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make hot chocolate by Dairy Milk. This simple guide will help you create a delicious, comforting drink in just a few minutes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of dairy milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Also, grab a small saucepan, a whisk, and your favorite mug. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's begin by combining the dry components. In your small saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Next, incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. You can adjust this amount based on how sweet you prefer your drink. Finally, stir in just a tiny pinch of salt. This small addition truly helps to deepen and enhance the rich chocolate flavor. With your dry ingredients mixed, it's time to add the liquid. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of your chosen dairy milk into the saucepan, ensuring there are no lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Continue to whisk constantly as the mixture warms up. It's crucial not to let your hot chocolate boil. Remove it from the heat just as it begins to simmer around the edges. This prevents scorching and keeps it perfectly smooth. Your delicious homemade hot chocolate is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, consider garnishing it with a dollop of whipped cream, a handful of fluffy marshmallows, or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. This easy-to-follow recipe ensures a rich, creamy, and comforting drink every time. Sit back, relax, and savor your perfect cup of hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.